Hey, welcome back to the Right Way 360. Today we are going to decorate this master bedroom for the holiday, and we're going to clean up a little bit. We're going to dust and change the comforters. We're going to probably change these curtains over here. We're going to do a little bit of everything. Probably, rearrange some things, that we accumulated over the quarantine.
You're in my business. Don't do that.
See you at the end. First thing first, I am going to put everything away. I washed some clothes earlier that morning, so now I'm just putting them away. Then I'm going to take everything off the dresser so I can dust. And hubby decided to come and say hi to me. How sweet. I love him. Now we're just taking everything off the other dresser. And then we're dusting and then polishing it. It can look so pretty. And then I decided to just go ahead and turn it to the corner because I'm going to place the TV on there. And by placing it that way, I'm able to watch TV from the bed. And I went ahead and continued to clean off the dresser after hubby helped me move the TV. The dust behind that television was unreal. But now it's all clean. And now I am just putting everything away where they belong. So I am decluttering. I'm throwing things away that we no longer need. I mean, this was the perfect opportunity to go ahead and just declutter your home before you decorate for the holidays. And then I went ahead and vacuumed that area. Then I decided to just go ahead and change the curtain because it just wouldn't match with what I wanted to do in that room. So I decided to go with a black and white plaid curtain. I think they are so pretty. And then I went ahead and sprayed it with wrinkle remover because, it just came out of the package, so it still have the wrinkles. And I just don't like those wrinkles, but I rather hang them up and steam them. It's a lot easier for me to do it that way. So right now we're just waiting for the steamer to warm up and then we're going to steam it. But guess who came to help me? My son. So I showed him how to do it and now he's doing it all by himself. It's like super easy. It's like one of the easiest things to do is steam. He's doing an amazing job. I went ahead and went over it a little bit because some of the wrinkles didn't completely come out of it. So I just went and did a quick little touch up. But other than that, everything else was perfect. So on the side table, I decided to add a mirror and my little Santa Claus. Look how pretty that looks. I changed the candles from white to red. And now I am just changing the sheet off the bed. And I'm going with a red sheet with pillowcase and your fitted sheet. And then I'm going to do a duvet cover with a filler also. This was so much work, but so worth it. As you can see, the throw pillows that you see on the bed, those are pillow covers. They come in a pack of 4. I will have most of the item in the description below if you would like to purchase any of these things. Thank you for watching. Please come back for our next Get Ready With Me Christmas edition.